Hey guys, Colton here at Preferred Physical Therapy, where we help those 40 plus stay active and independent, live free from painkillers, and avoid surgery. Today's Technique Tuesday, we're going to go over a daily morning routine that has a couple of stretches as well as some active movements to help you kind of increase some blood flow in the morning and get you a little bit more awake and get you prepared for the day. Now, if you're like me, I am not fully awake until I either have my pre-workout or my weekend coffee. I'm going to show you a few different moves to help kind of get some blood flow into the area. That way it'll jumpstart our brain and kind of get some more movement, and that way we feel a little bit more alive in the morning before we need that mid-morning coffee at about 9 or 10 o'clock. First exercise here is going to be a double movement. Okay, we're going to be incorporating both the lower body as well as the upper body to really get your blood flowing as we come out of bed. We're going to be starting in a slow mini squat. From this mini squat, we're going to come into a small position, and then we're going to bring our arms up above our head, okay? So we're going to be here to there. We can start off slow, nothing too crazy, making sure that we're not bringing our knees forward and we're pushing our butt back, as well as we're not extending too far here, okay? If I show it from the side, we're not bringing the knees forward, we're pushing our butt back, as well as coming straight forward rather than back like so, okay? That'll keep the core engaged as well as save ourselves from lumbar problems later on. And this should help warm up our arms and put some blood flow throughout the whole body. Second exercise is going to be a thread the needle. This is going to help reduce some of that tension and stiffness after sleeping. Okay, we're going to find the bed. Standing right next to your mattress is totally fine. As we do so, we're going to bring one arm onto the bed or to the table. The other arm is going to come up underneath with your palm. As we do so, we're going to really keep our eyes onto our palm as we reach forward, okay, holding about 5 seconds or so. I want you to do this about 10 times as we reach, really trying to just bring that all through here, getting a good stretch in through the back. Doing 10 times on each side is totally fine, just to help kind of really relax some of those tissues and get your day going. I hope that those exercises really help you get your day started and get some blood flow to your muscles and kind of jumpstart your brain activity. That way you feel a little bit more alive and awake until you need that coffee later on. Feel free to share this video. Check out our other blog posts. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below or give us a call.